But let's start right to the topic. First of all, please open your Minecraft launcher as you normally would. And then, sign in if it's needed. And then on the top left corner, click on your account here. And then click on Manage Minecraft.java Edition Profile. And then a page looking something like this. Something like this should open. And then we again maybe need to log in here. I've already done it. So just make sure that you are logged in with the same account as you're in your Minecraft launcher. And then we can already scroll down at the Minecraft.java Edition. And then just click on Profile Name. And then we can already just type in whatever profile name we want to use. Yeah, that's really it. Then just click on Change Profile Name. We're just going to do that for Fixbit YouTube. Click on Change Profile Name. And that's already it. We've successfully changed our profile name. Then we can just relaunch our Minecraft launcher, and then the profile name should already be updated. We can check if that's yes. If that's the case, our profile name already has been updated. And yeah, that's it. Really hope this up to you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.